Hey, you guys, this is for the moms out there with the littles, okay? Do you guys see how small those grapes are chopped up? And I didn't even have to put in too much work. I found this little cute grape cutter on the TikTok shop, guys, and it's been a lifesaver ever since, because when it comes down to having small children, they are very impatient, guys, and they want their lunch or snack when they want their lunch or snack, okay? When I tell you that there was no assembly, guys, it was no assembly. It literally came straight out the box. And boom, you could just pop the grapes in there and they just cut so quickly. And my toddlers was very happy and satisfied to get their snack.